Xiaomi has launched an advanced portable power bank, the Xiaomi built-in wired screen power bank. This device stands out with its 10,000 mAh capacity, compact design, and a unique LCD screen that displays the exact remaining battery percentage and charging status of connected devices, replacing traditional LED indicators. It offers a powerful 45W output and includes both USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing for simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices. The power bank features a highly durable plastic body and an integrated, unbreakable, cable with a built-in loop for convenience. These features, combined with its attractive design and competitive price, position it as a compelling option in the portable battery market.